Ridhivej Finance has bring another IPO guidance where you can see this company is based in Pune. And yes, Clean Science and Technology IPO. This company is into the chemical sector. If you see, their products are basically into the chemical sectors. So nowadays pharmaceutical and chemical sectors is really booming and change the Sensex as well as the Nifty too. If you see, the drastic changes happen in the pharmaceutical sector, there is a large amount of drastic changes happens during the 2020 and 2021. 2021 has a highest peak of pharmaceutical companies. The Clean Science and Technology Private Limited is innovation work. We operate with the integrity of our company has that tagline, I guess so this company is Pune based, and yes, chemical do the better business nowadays. So if you really find an investment terms, you can find this one of the IPO where you can invest it, and yes, you can see the future. Clean Science, basically this company is incorporated since 2003 according to their websites, but where they have given few details in their IPO draft, it has shown is that initial their company name is Sri Dikshite Chemi Private Limited, and it has started November 7, 2003 in Pune. Under the Act of 1956, they have registered over there. Then this company name has changed into Clean Science and Technology Private Limited in the year of 2006 on 25th August under the Pune Registration Act, where they have again changed their name of the company, and it has become no, this company has given the meeting on certified as a Clean Science and Technology Limited. From private limited to the limited, they have changed it on 25th February 2021. Okay, and this company is based in Hadapsar, Pune. You can see their company has given having a 3 plants over. Basically, they are having a 3 plants into the Pune only. One is at Dond district 26/320 D28 and D25. Kurkumb is another their plant, where their register office is in Hadapsar, but their plants are in Dond and Kurkumb. Okay, so they are based in Pentagon Tower, Magarpatta City and Hadapsar. This company is also having the details. If you see, they are into majorly into the chemicals. Yes, their group of company name is Anantarup Financial Advisory Private Limited, CSTPL Foundation, and Matrix Fine Science Private Limited. So we have given over this details to you. You can log on their website and you will know many things, because we are not concentrating over here what exactly their certifications and all these things. Yes, we can say they are the valuable customer is based in Japan and USA, and they are having global footprints, we can say, but here is we are not declaring over here. So yes, absolutely, you can see the product portfolio of Clean Science and Technology. They having product portfolio is anisole 4-methoxy acetophenone, then L-acrylic palmitate, and dicloxyl carbamide ECC, cloic monomethyl ether of hydroquinone, butylated hydroxyanisole BHA, where their key of customers, you can say they are having a key of customers, and that is nothing but a few biggest companies, that is Bayer AG, SRF Limited, Genex Laboratories, Nutride International NV, Vinnati Organic, and many more. Since last 10 years, they are supplying their product to these companies till the May 31st, 2021. They are certified plants that have I already mentioned in Kurkum and Dond. So JNPT port export, they do majorly export. They are having on-site R&D facility, quality control department, warehouse, influent treatment and facility, zero liquid discharge facility. They are dedicated production lines of products with combining installing on 29,900 MTPAs as on March 31st, 2021. Capacity utilization is 71.94% in fiscal year of 20. We are giving the Clean Science and Technology IPO details. IPO opening date is on July 7th, 2021. IPO closing date is 9th July 2021. IPO type book build IPO issue. 1 rupees per equity share is a face value. IPO pricing band between 880 to 900 per equity shares. Market lot size is 16 shares. Minimum order quantity is 16 share and listing at NSE and BSE. Basis of allotment date will be 14 July 2021. Initiation of refund will be happen on July 15, 2021, and credit of shares to your demat accounts on 16 July 2021, where the IPO listing date is on 19 July 2021. Dear investors, Vridhivesh Finance gives one is called as a prediction of IPO subscription. This IPO might get oversubscribed or this IPO might get less subscribed, but we have a little amount of predictions that this IPO can gives you good return with a short amount of time, either the day of listing or within a week of listing. So expected subscription band between 35% to 85%. Please keep a watch on Grey Market Strategy. Yes, we will share the GMP once subscription will be over, and market risk on own decision. See, listen, if you want to invest it, that is your choice only. We are not any forcing to you that you should invest it or not. Everybody have their own choice which IPO they should choose it. Thank you by Vridhivesh Finance, and yes, we will bring IPO updates on daily, weekly or monthly basis whenever there is an IPO. Yes, we are now started the GMP giving, and you can see the result over with a few IPOs where we have given the prediction subscription has met with our expectations. Apart from that, GMP2 achieved a target of few of the IPOs. Yes, we have given the India's best IPO which have been listed with the right GMP around 10 to 20% up and down plus minus we have given. But if you see our other listed IPOs prediction detail of GMP, or you can, if you want to spend less amount of time, then you just go and read the prediction details in the description or draft of YouTube videos. Yes, absolutely, you will find that we give little perfect analysis. So if you really have a faith, you can subscribe it. Its choice is yours. We are not forcing any of you.